Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the cover of a page inside your Microsoft Loop workspace. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your page inside your workspace on Microsoft Loop, and there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you simply open the page, and here in the overview above the title, hover your mouse over that symbol, add cover, click into it, and select a cover from the Microsoft Loop library, for example. And you may go, for example, with landscapes or with any of these or gradients, or you may use this option or remove the given one. However, guys, there's also option number two. Click into these three dots here to the left, select rename and style. And here, guys, you may click into update cover again to get redirected to that menu here. So let me assign, and let's go with a gradient like this, and or that one here. Click into update again, and then you will see the update cover button in the bottom right and the cover here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and catch you later.